Ever wonder why some men exude power and dominance with women? It's not just about high status or good looks. They possess certain traits that make them powerful individuals. In this discussion, I'll cover the top 5 things that grant them power over any woman they desire, and you can achieve the same if you follow suit. Number 5. Avoid giving them reasons to complain. Some women tend to seek faults in men, and through that, downgrade their personalities and damage their self-esteem. When you make sure there's no room for complaints in the relationship, they won't be able to blame you. Listen, there are a few things you need to make right to gain power over them. Communicate clearly. If something bothers you, tell her directly, even if it's a bit harsh. She might not like it at first, but she'll appreciate the honesty in the long run. Value her commitment. Give compliments and keep your promises. When you create an environment without complaints, you naturally establish power and dominance. Number 4. Don't lose your independence. What I'm about to say may go against your expectations, but it's crucial to recognize your mistake and make it right to be a man of power and influence. Many men make the error of becoming fully immersed in a relationship, acting like clowns when they meet a beautiful woman. They give her undivided attention and make themselves constantly available to win her favor. In doing so, they become enslaved under her influence, losing their own sense of identity and independence. This is dangerous for a man, as it makes him less attractive and submissive to her desires. Being independent is crucial. It prevents her from having undue influence over you, allowing you to make your own choices and maintain a balance in your life. You can allocate time for friends and family, not devoting your entire life to her. This independence will earn her respect, as she'll see you as a man in control of his life. Number 3. Embrace the power of masculine energy. Gaining power over her is impossible without embracing your masculine energy. Why? It's about embracing your confidence, inner strength, and assertiveness. As a man, lacking these traits diminishes your power. Stepping into your masculine energy radiates confidence, making your presence stronger, something no woman can ignore. With confidence, you can make your own decisions and life choices, embodying the qualities of a leader who takes charge. You become a fearless man who stands up for beliefs. When women see these qualities, they're naturally drawn to your charisma. They feel secure, knowing you can face challenges and protect them when needed. You not only gain power, but also attract them closer to you. Number 2. Stay true to your priorities. Some men get so invested in a woman that they forget their life priorities, putting her at the top of their list. I'm not suggesting you place her at the bottom, but avoid giving her unnecessary time and attention. Women are naturally drawn to men with a clear life purpose. When you prioritize your goals over her, she won't complain. Instead, she'll be attracted to it, recognizing your direction in life. She'll respect you as a powerful man who can lead in every area and make independent decisions. She'll see you as a leader and caretaker. While many men seek approval for even trivial matters, you're wasting away that power. There's ultimate power in staying focused on your goals. When a woman senses that in you, she can't resist its influence and will be naturally drawn to you. Number 1. Embrace an abundance mindset. Men with weak mindsets often face humiliation from women due to behaviors that convey a sense of dominance. Conversely, men with an abundance mindset are highly desired by women. Why? They are unafraid of losing a woman, believing that if one departs, a better one awaits. This lack of desperate behavior makes them mentally and emotionally stronger. Men with an abundance mindset don't place women on a pedestal of high value, avoiding ego inflation. They maintain balance in relationships by treating all women equally to gain power. Certain actions are crucial. Avoid desperation, fear of rejection, possessive or controlling behavior, and, most importantly, remain calm if she leaves. Demonstrating this mindset will make any woman subconsciously submit to your powerful presence. Now, I want to hear from you in the comments. If you've reached this point, comment 100% to confirm you've got the knowledge from this video. Hit that like button. Also subscribe and be a part of it.